Kevin, let's take you back to what happened this past week on Shotgun on Saturday night.
Well, Taka Michinoku and his opponent this Sunday, Pantera, met as a tag team against Brian Christopher and Flanagan. And the team of Taka and Pantera were well on their way to victory when miscommunication led to their downfall. And eventually, Pantera's true colors shone through. After Pantera landed the moonsault on Taka Michinoku, what was inadvertent turned into an on-purpose attack. And Pantera left the champion laying, really heating up their rivalry for this Sunday. They'll meet now on opposite teams.